We are now into Women's History Month, and today on the podcast we'll be discussing women in military history. First up, a review of the outstanding film from Tyler Perry, The 688. Then we'll explore the incredible life of one of America's first female generals. I'm Robert Child, and this is Point of the Spear. Hey guys, I have some great news. I'm thrilled to invite you to explore my newly launched online store, where all my books and audiobooks are now conveniently available in one place. And guess what? By purchasing directly from my store, you'll save money compared to those big-name retailers. It's a win-win. I can't wait for you to check out the collection and perhaps discover new favorites. Head over to the link in this episode's description and dive into a world of captivating stories and incredible savings. Your next great read is just a click away. Visit my online store now and enjoy the best deals on all my books and audiobooks. The 688 is a powerful and poignant film that brings to light a little-known chapter of World War II history. Directed and written by Tyler Perry, the movie tells the true story of the 6,888th Central Postal Directory Battalion, the only women's Army Corps unit of color stationed overseas during the war. This battalion, led by Major Charity Adams, played a crucial role in sorting and delivering millions of pieces of mail to soldiers on the front lines. The film stars Kerry Washington as Major Charity Adams, who delivers a commanding performance that has earned her critical acclaim. Ebony Obsidian, who plays Lena Derricott King, also shines in her role, bringing depth and emotion to her character. The cast's chemistry and dedication to their roles are evident, making the story even more compelling. The historical significance of the 6,888th Battalion cannot be overstated. These women were tasked with solving a massive military postal crisis, processing millions of pieces of backlogged mail intended for American soldiers on the front lines. Their mission was crucial for maintaining troop morale and ensuring vital communication between service members and their families back home. The battalion's efficiency and dedication helped overcome what seemed like an insurmountable backlog of correspondence, demonstrating their exceptional organizational and leadership capabilities. What makes the 688 particularly important is its role in broadening the narrative of World War II history. As Obsidian emphasized in interviews, this story represents more than just African American history. It's an integral part of American history that deserves recognition in the broader national narrative. The film serves as a platform to acknowledge these unsung heroes who faced both racial and gender discrimination while serving their country with distinction. Their story exemplifies the often overlooked contributions of minority women to America's military success. Critics have noted some areas where the film could have been stronger. Perry's writing occasionally tends toward melodrama, with dialogue that sometimes feels overly explicit rather than naturally flowing. Some scenes contain conversations that feel more like historical exposition than authentic character interactions. The nonlinear narrative structure, while ambitious, has been cited as potentially disruptive to the story's flow, creating occasional confusion for viewers as they navigate between different time periods in the battalion's history. Despite these technical criticisms, the film's core message of resilience, dedication, and triumph over adversity remains powerful and clear. The story of the 6,888th Battalion exemplifies the often invisible contributions of Black women to America's war effort, and the film serves as a long overdue recognition of their service and sacrifice. Their accomplishments become even more impressive when considered against the backdrop of institutional racism and gender discrimination they faced both in the military and civilian society. The film's success in bringing this story to a wider audience demonstrates the growing appetite for diverse historical narratives that challenge traditional perspectives on military history. It serves as a reminder that the full story of America's military achievements includes contributions from all segments of society, regardless of race or gender. The positive reception of the 688 suggests that audiences are eager to learn about these previously untold stories and understand the full scope of American military history. Brigadier General Wilma L. Vaught is a trailblazer in every sense of the word. Born on March 15, 1930, in Pontiac, Michigan, she broke barriers and shattered glass ceilings throughout her illustrious career in the United States Air Force. Vaught's journey began when she graduated from the University of Illinois College of Business in 1952 and later earned her Master of Business Administration from the University of Alabama in 1968. In January 1957, Vaught was commissioned as a second lieutenant after completing officer training school at Lackland Air Force Base in San Antonio, Texas. Her early assignments included roles at Barksdale Air Force Base and Zaragoza Air Base in Spain, where she served as chief of the Management Analysis Division. Vaught's dedication and exceptional skills quickly set her apart, and she became the first woman to deploy with a Strategic Air Command operational unit during Operation Arc Light in Guam. One of Vaught's most significant achievements came in 1980, when she became the first woman to reach the rank of Brigadier General from the Comptroller field. Her leadership and expertise were instrumental in various roles, including her position as commander of the U.S. Military Entrance Processing Command. Vaught's impact extended beyond her military service. She played a pivotal role in establishing the Women in Military Service for America Memorial, serving as its president for 29 years. Vaught's numerous awards and decorations are a testament to her outstanding contributions. She received the Defense Distinguished Service Medal, the Air Force Distinguished Service Medal, the Legion of Merit, the Bronze Star Medal, and many more. In 2022, she was awarded the Presidential Medal of Freedom, the highest civilian honor in the United States. Brigadier General Wilma L. Vaught's legacy is one of courage, determination, and unwavering commitment to service. Her story serves as an inspiration to all, reminding us that with perseverance and dedication, we can break barriers and achieve greatness. Thank you for joining us on this special episode celebrating Women's History Month. And if you like what you hear, leave a review or a rating, or just click the follow button, and be sure to check out our Point of the Spear channel on YouTube with hundreds of hours of military history videos. I'm Robert Child, and this has been Point of the Spear.
Music licensed from audioblocks.com. Point of the Spear is produced by RSC Media Group.